So we're in Austria for Motogp. Woohoo! So much nature where we're staying. We're staying like on the side of a mountain. I'm using the audio from this camera today. I don't know how good that's going to be. Yeah, I'm so excited. We bought the Motogp tickets like around Christmas time, and now it's finally Motogp. I love Motogp. I love the noises. I've been to see it once in England, and it was raining, and I only saw it for one day just on the race day. I didn't like stay there and have a look at the whole of the practice, and I didn't really get to see anything up close. And it smells of cut grass this morning, cut grass and dew. It's not going to be quiet later. We've got some ear protectors for the little one. How are you today, huh? Do you want to say hi to the camera? No. No, she's shy. She's shy. Maybe later. Oh. Today, it's Thursday, and there's no racing today or practice or anything, I think. But there is a pit walk. If you've got a weekend ticket, you can go and sit in the grandstand for a little while and queue up, and then they take people for pit walks. So we might actually get to see some bikes up close today, and we might actually get to see some people up close today, or maybe at least with my zoomy lens on my video camera, which I can't charge. I forgot the charger for it. God damn it. And I forgot to bring my hairdryer, so my hair is soaking wet right now. We're gonna go have breakfast. Right, breakfast time. I'm starving. One of the first people to go in. I don't know why they're doing that.
No running, no jumping, no pushing. Please take care of the
I find it really funny how they've all got their own wind things. Comfy seats. I'm guessing everyone wants to see the main man. Oh my god, there's another baby with ear protection. I can't see anything. There's too many people. There's a sound of a bikey, but I don't know which one it is because there's too many people in the way. Look at them all with their phones. This is crazy. Literally everyone is crowded around Rossi's one. I want to see Marquez. I want to see Marquez. Where's Marquez? That's not Marquez. That baby had a Valentino Rossi onesie. I don't think we'll be buying any onesies. Not unless I see a Marquez one then maybe. Hey, look at the cool Suzuki. Suzuki is pretty. Hey, there's a man with a massive camera. They look strange.
The front, I don't like the wings.
Yeah, the Ducatis are a weird shape. Where's the KTMs? We missed them. I do think the Pramac bikes have got a massive wings on it. Massive. Hey, look at their screens! This is Miller's screen. This is really nice. KTM bikes are really tiny. They're like play bikes.
They all have the rain tires on the front.
Well, do you think it's going to rain today?
No, tomorrow.
It is the light. The light. And here's the line. Look at all of the Rossi hats. sea of yellow points, like some kind of acne. Steeper than I thought. Yeah, like this first corner is really quite steep. So we managed to see Valentino Rossi, but from very far away. And Marquez didn't come out, didn't see Marquez. But we'll see him racing around the track tomorrow anyway, in his leathers and helmet. Not in the flesh, but whatever. It was good seeing his bike. And this is such a beautiful track as well. Maybe I can zoom in from up here and see.
Yeah, maybe.
Should I try it? Let's get the big camera out. Going on the track, going on the track. All the lines on the track from the wheels. I wonder whose head made that gouge. Hey, look, there's a guy that's he's going to camp out here until the race starts. He's gone camping. This is so exciting. I can't believe I'm on the edge of the track. Anyone want any donuts? He's praying. I didn't realise this was a religious thing. He was praying.
5 times a day.
5 times a day on the track. Camping man's still there. Oh, the stones! Should we get a stone? I like this white one.
This one?
Yeah,
Yeah, okay.
the bobble one.
I take it.
Thanks. We got a stone! We got a stone!
Look, it's all nice and tiny.
Yeah. Someone thought it was a Japanese garden. They've raked it. What's that? Is that a piece of bike?
No, it's a red stone. It's got color on it. Maybe it's from over there.
God damn, I thought it was a piece of bike.
Yeah.
Well, I can't remember how many hours we waited to do that, but that was fun.
4 hours.
They're bouncy. It's like a bouncy castle, but for brains. For brains. They've even got a swimming pool.
Yeah?
Yeah, look.
Yeah, that's why he's camping here. He's got
Oh yeah.
opportunity to wash himself.
Yeah, that guy's camping there because he's got a swimming pool. Yeah. Donuts. You can eat the donuts. This is such a cool track. I can't wait to see them racing tomorrow. See the bikies going around. Look, it's a crazy new religion. Yeah, camping looks nice, but it's going to be really crowded.
Yes, loud.
And I can't even imagine what the toilets would look like. So I'm pretty glad we're staying in a hotel.